how do we write a national blockchain roadmap? So the first step is preparation and background work. And this involves scanning the landscape, what has been done so far in a country, what are the key barriers to blockchain adoption, who is leading the discussion on blockchain, and this includes policymakers, industry, academia, and society, how receptive the government is to the idea of using blockchain for public good, and so on. The second step is collecting the evidence. So, what are the demonstrable benefits to society of using blockchain in a country? Has there been any audits or evidence synthesis of high quality research? You could look at the national guidelines in other allied disciplines and established use cases of evidence of positive impact in a society. The third step is devising the roadmap itself, and this includes identifying the key domains and areas of recommendations. It is important to think and act globally at this stage, looking at the workforce planning, skills and talent, sustainable development, and other emerging innovative disciplines, and how blockchain will work together with other disciplines. It's also important to identify how do we measure the impact of blockchain, and then what are the evidence frameworks that are going to be put forward for the roadmap. The fourth step is ongoing strategy. So who are the key stakeholders? Are they on board? Who is going to deliver the roadmap? And how do we monitor the objectives that are going to be achieved by following the implementation of these roadmap? And these can be smart objectives, specific, measurable, achievable, realistic, and time bound. The fifth step is execution of the roadmap itself, and this can take many forms, such as formation of specialty groups, working groups, stakeholder meetings, identifying key deliverables, and further research. And then the sixth step is ongoing follow-up and review of the roadmap, the national budgeting, auditing the societal impact of blockchain applications, building a repository of successful use cases is a good idea. Further national reports, call for evidence, public consultations, engagement of stakeholders, policymakers, regulators, and also global partnerships.